So today we are going to study about the mutation. 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 The term mutation was introduced by Hugo de Vries in 1901. So the term mutation was the term mutation was introduced. The term mutation was introduced by Hugo de Vries in 1901. For mark inheritable variation in evening prism rose in evening, that is a plant, evening prism rose. Evening prism rose, that is Oenothera lamarckiana. Oenothera lamarckiana, that is evening prism rose, and for this plant some characters we observed, and that were the inheritable. So we use the term mutation for the first time. So mutation can be defined as mutation can be defined as sudden stable, can be defined as sudden stable discontinuous. Can be defined as sudden stable discontinuous. And inheritable change in inheritable change or variations and it will change in genetic material. Genetic material of an genetic material of an organism of an organism. So this is sudden, stable, discontinuous and inevitable change in genetic material of an organism is called mutation. Is called mutation. Mutation is of two types. It is of two types. It is of two types. Number one is somatic mutation. Number one is somatic mutation and number second is germinal mutation. Germinal, two types of mutations are there. One is mutation or change in the chromosome. Mutation or change in the chromosome takes place in the somatic cell. If mutation takes place in the somatic cell, such mutation is called as the somatic mutation. Somatic mutation has great importance in horticulture. In horticulture, the somatic mutation is very important. Next one thing, germinal mutation. Mutation takes place in the germ cells. Mutation takes place in the germ cell is called as the germinal mutation. This mutation has importance in evolution. This mutation has importance in the evolution. Importance in evolution. Evolution. And here this importance has importance in horticulture. So somatic mutation and germinal mutation. So this mutation takes place in the somatic cell and this mutation takes place in the germinal cells or the germ cells. And the unit of mutation is called mutons. The unit of the unit of mutation is muton. This is unit of mutation and mutation causing agents. Are the agents causes mutation are called mutagens. are called as the mutations. So the root of mutation is muton, and the agents causes mutation are called mutations, as X-rays, gamma rays, UV rays, etc. These are the mutations agents that causes the mutation, that causes a change in the genetic material. These agents are called as the mutations. Broadly, we can classify mutation as in the two categories. Broadly, we can classify mutation into the two categories. Broadly, we classify them into two categories. One is the mutation. Mutation, broadly, it is categorized into the two categories. One is the gene mutation into two categories. First one is gene mutation. One is gene mutation, and second is the chromosomal mutation. Second one is chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal mutation. Actually, both are interrelated. Both are interrelated, as genes are found on the chromosome. So any change in chromosome, any variation in the chromosome, any alteration in the chromosome, that will leads to change into the gene. So it is gene mutation is of two types. Number one is point mutation. It is of two types. Number one is point mutation. Point mutation. And number two is frame shift mutation. Number second is frame shift. Frame shift. So two types of mutation, one is point mutation and another is frame shift mutation. So in case of the point mutation, change in a here change in a single base pair of DNA. So this is change in a single base pair of DNA. You will study in next lesson, that is in case of the sickle cell anemia. That is best example. So first one is the change in a single base pair of DNA. This is called the point mutation. And case of the frame shift mutation, deletion. Here deletion and insertion. Insertion or addition. Deletion and insertion of base pairs. Base pairs of DNA. If here complete deletion or insertion or addition of base pairs, one base pair may be there or more than one base pairs may be there. So this is called the frame shift mutation. Now next one we are going to study, that is the chromosomal mutation. So it is two types. Chromosomal mutation, it is also two types. Chromosomal mutation is also of the two types. Number one is structural change in chromosome and other numerical change in the chromosome. It is of two types. Number one is structural change in chromosome, or it is also called a chromosomal aberration. It is also called as the chromosomal there is change in the structure of the chromosome. There is a change in the structure of the chromosome, and here numerical change. Second one is here numerical change in chromosome. So here there is change in number of the chromosome. Here there is change in number of chromosome, and here change in structure of the chromosome, and this may causes the mutation. So here in the structural chromosome, it may be also of the two types. This chromosomal change or the it is of two types. It is of two types. That one is intrachromosomal and the interchromosomal change. This is intrachromosomal aberration or interchromosomal. This may be chromosomal aberration. So intrachromosomal or interchromosomal, two types. And in case of the intrachromosomal, that may be of the deletion and the inversion. It may be either deletion and and inversion. Two types, intrachromosome deletion and the inversion, and others having the duplication and the translocation. And here duplication and translocation. And translocation. It is are two type, duplication and the translocation. So this is structural change in the structure of chromosome. That way we have two types, that change takes place within the chromosome, in the same chromosome takes place, and this is called the intrachromosomal aberration. And here in the between the different chromosome, this is called the intrachromosomal aberration. And two types, the duplication and the translocation, and here deletion and the inversion. Now numerical change. So it is numerical change. It is of the two types, aneuploidy and euploidy. It is of two types. It is of two types. Aneuploidy and euploidy. It is of two types. Aneuploidy and euploidy. And aneuploidy and euploidy. This aneuploidy may be monosomy. This may have the monoploidy, sorry, or the haploidy. That is the haploidy, that may be haploidy. Haploidy means X haploid, diploidy. Diploidy means 2N 2X, and polyploidy. And polyploidy. Polyploidy means 3x, 4x, 6x, etc. Triploidy, tetraploidy, hexaploidy, etc. These are included into the polyploidy. But the basic number of the chromosome, basic number of chromosome is in multiples of the n, 2n, n, 2n, 3n, 4n, 6n, etc., etc. So in this way, it is called as the polyploidy. So haploidy, diploidy, and the polyploidy. And this euploidy, it is the two types, hyperploidy and the hypoploidy. It is two types. It is two types. Number one is hypoploidy. And this is a hyperploidy. Here the number of chromosome is less than the basic number of the chromosome. It is two types. It is two types. This One is the hypo means less. One is here monosomy. This is first one is the monosomy and next one nullisomy. Nullisomy. So monosomy is 2n minus 1 and here 2n minus 2. This situation in monosomy, that there is the one number will be less from the basic number of the chromosome, as if in suppose in any individual that basic number of the chromosome is 26, then in case of the monosomy there will be number of chromosome 26 minus 1, there will be 25. In this case nullisomy, two basic number of, suppose basic number of chromosome are in the diploid number of chromosome is 26. So here nullisomy 26 minus 2, there will be 24 in case of the nullisomy. And hyperploidy, there are more number of the chromosome. So here it is of two types. It is also of the two types. Hyperploidy, it is also of the two types. Number one is trisomy and tetrasomy. It is of two types. Number one is trisomy and number two is tetrasomy. Trisomy and this is tetrasomy. So here, in case of trisomy, the number of the chromosome will be more. Means one number of chromosome will be more. Means 2n plus 1. This will be trisomy. And case of tetrasomy, 2n plus 2. This will be of the tetrasomy. So in this way we can find about the monosomy, nullisomy, trisomy and the tetrasomy. That's all. Thank you.